Welcome to Grand Canyon of Kazakhstan!
Hi everyone, maaga kami ngayon kasi may pupuntahan kami 4:30 AM na. So outfit check, quick outfit check. Ito is from Shein. Ito naman is Uniqlo. Ito ay Pen Shop. And of course, ang aming Merrell. Yun lang.
120 pesos bayad sa Yandex. So ayan yung Astana Hotel. So andito yung sasakyan namin from Panda Tours.
It's gonna be a long day. So dear tourists, now we're arriving to our first stop. So everything is inside the building, okay? The ATM, the market, and the washroom, everything inside the building. For this stop, we have 15 minutes.
Palayo na tayo sa city center. 2 hours ang biyahe papuntang next location. Sa buong trip namin, ito lang yung kumuha kami ng tour package kasi mahirap ito i-DIY. 18,000 tenge per pax.
Why called black? Because of the color.
CR muna. 100 tenge. Yun. Yan sa my store. Ayan. Tapos, wow! Ang ganda sa personal. Ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng formation. Grabe sa actual. Countryside na talaga tayo. Makikita nyo yung mga kultura at mga bahay ng lokal. City center is super modern, but here, nasa countryside tayo, makikita nyo yung kanilang mga payak na pamumuhay. So, bali magpapalit kami ng sasakyan, ganyan.
Now we're with the off-road actually, like 25-30 minutes we will reach the parking zone of Kayında Lake. We have 3 options to reach the lake. We have walking, horseback riding, and by eco taxi. Okay?
Tapos, ayun, sasakay kami ng horse.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
First time magkabayo dito pa sa Kazakhstan. Bali, 4-4. At ako ang huli. Ayan, so we're on the way sa lake via horse. So, di ba sa Baguio, nagpapapicture lang tayo kaya sa Tagaytay, pero dito talaga 30 minutes kami sasakay ng horse. It's the first time. Pinadaanan namin, gilid siya. Ang bundok. Ayan, bangin. Grabe, we're going down. Tapos, ano? Oh my God. We're going down. Grabe ka naman, Kazakhstan. Grabe ka. Tingnan nyo naman po kami tapos pro na ba ako? Grabe ka, Kazakhstan. Pababa kami ha. Pababa. Ayun. Nandito na kami sa baba. Hindi ko na-expect yung ano. Yung pababa. Diyos ko yun. Mahirap na pababa. Kinabahan ako dun.
Hey.
1,000 pesos bayad. Total of 1 hour balikan. Punta na kami sa lake. Ayan. So, akit kami dito. So, andito na tayo sa lake. Reservo nila.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way, making a way
Daming
to
Pinoy.
the crowd. And I need you, and I miss you, and now I walk.
So, ito naman yung paakyat.
If I could fall into the sky, do you
Ano ba naman kami dumaan? Tapos ako nasa dulo. Patarik kami. Patarik. Doon kami baba. Sa may baba doon. So ito yung sinasabing Soviet era na sasakyan. Panuin pa ito ng Soviet.
we can come back to our cars. Okay?
Tapos malapit na yung next location parang 30 minutes.
First we'll have a lunch here, okay? And then like 5 minutes walking distance there's the lake. So let's eat first.
Kasak instrument. Ito yung lunch namin. Binayaran namin to ng 3,600 tenge. Kasi ang laki. Ang laki Beef loaf. Bang. Sarap. Sarap pa. Pababa na kami sa Calcite Lake. So ito na yung lake. 1,800 meters above sea level. Laki.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces fast, and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way.
Itong lugar na to.
Way to the crowd.
Look at me. Look at Lucy.
Need you, and I miss you.
Okay, balik na kami.
Our last location for today, Charin Canyon, 154 kilometers long. We have two options. We can walk by top, also we can go down to the canyon. Okay?
You can come down a little bit from the hill. Just be careful. A little bit slippery.
May option para bumaba. Pero ang advantage dito, andito yung panoramic view. Mga traditional na bahay. OMG, napakaganda. Wow. Ay, dun yun, Arb! Bababa. Oh. Wow. Dito bumaba yung isang vlogger na Pinoy. Ang ganda sa personal. Grabe, paano kaya ito nabuo? Million years ago. OMG. So, yan, bababa kami. OMG, ito na. Ito talaga yung perfect spot.
I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight.
Lalakbayin namin. So talagang be extra careful kasi pag nahulog ka dyan, diretso dun sa canyon. Mga hotel dito, may modern style at yung mga traditional style. Kami dito sa visitor center. So ito yung visitor center. Maganda CR nila dito. Kainan. Tapos ito, visitor center. Quick stop over, ano na, 7:25 bago umuwi. Para mag-CR, 15 minutes lang daw kami.
Also, don't forget to say Rahmet to our driver. Yeah, 700 kilometers in one day is not easy. Okay, it's like shake his hand and say Rahmet. Yes.
Mga 9:30 PM na, hanap kami ng makakainan. Tawid kami. Puntang AIM. Ayan, sa AIM. Ito itsura ng AIM nila. Meron silang cafe. Diyan Akpaya Fish.
3,100. Yes, 300 pesos.
From Canyon, enjoy naman natin ang spring. So follow for more!